Hello and welcome to my first guide. Today I talk about OBS, the Open Broadcaster software. This should be a short guide about the program. If you want to stream or record games, it's a free software. You get it really for free, for nothing. You just need to download the program. Right now I just downloaded the program, so I just show you guys how you can download it, where you can find the program. First of all, you need to go on your browser and just put inside obsproject.com. On the website you can easily download it like here for Windows, and for Linux and other stuff it's on the right side. So you need to download the program and install it. And if you're gonna just first start the program, it should appear like a window like this. So I'm just recording right now with OBS, so it looks a little bit weird on the screen. So yeah, first of all, if you just open the program first, you just need to change your settings. So we directly go to the settings menu. It's on the upper there. So click on the settings and it opens like a window like this. First of all, it's a general section. There you can put your language inside of the program. So I'm using English right now, as you can see. There are different other languages. So just use your language you want. Second of it is like the setting profile. Setting profile is only a name for your setting. For your settings, you want to put inside a name for it. So I put inside a stream, and I'm not able to change it right now because I'm recording with the program. The other things are not very interesting for yourself. The only thing is just enable cursor over projector, so you always can see your cursor if you just use the program. That's good. So we just switch to encoding. Encoding, first of all, it's like the video encoding. So you just put inside the 264 and just use CBR and enable CBR padding. The quality should be at 10. Right now I can't change it because I used CBR. So if I'm just put it outside, you can change your quality balance. I just put it on the max and put inside use CBR. So next different stuff is what are very interesting for you as a streamer, as a first time streamer, is the bit rate. So before you just change anything inside here, you need to go to your browser and put inside speedtest.net and just click on begin test. So right now what we're gonna do is we just test your connection, your internet connection. My ping is 12 ms. That's quite a good ping because I'm just living in Europe and we have some good internet for just a lower price. So next of all, it just checked out my download speed and my upload speed. I have 65 MBs per second download speed, and right now it's just checking out my upload speed. It's around 7. So there we go. So we have 7.68 MBs. That means we have 7,700 bits for the upload speed. So we could just go back to our OBS settings, and right now we can put inside something here. And there's another stuff I want to talk about, is like there's a difference between broadcasters. There is, first of all, there's the non-partnered broadcaster. If you're just starting streaming, you are a non-partnered broadcaster. That means you cannot put inside bit rates like you want to. So I'm not using 5000. It's only because I'm just recording with the program right now. So before we just put something inside here, just go to the broadcaster settings. You just click on the mode. Right now I'm just gonna with the file output only, because I'm just only recording with the program. So I'm not using any bits for streaming. If I'm gonna go to the mode live stream, it appears this here. So the streaming device, I'm just streaming with Twitch. You can change it easily if you just stream with Hitbox. You just put inside Hitbox, but I'm just streaming with Twitch. So I'm just gonna close it again and just go back here. So I'm just using the device Twitch, and the next thing is very interesting for you. It's the server. You just upload your stream files. If you're gonna start the stream, you just need to upload your video files to a server, and people who are gonna go to your channel and just try to watch you need to download from this server. This rule only exists for non-partnered streamers. So if you just stream the first time, or you don't have any partnership with Twitch, that means you are a non-partnered streamer. So that's very interesting for you, because I'm just used to server Amsterdam in the Netherlands. It's in Europe because I'm from Europe, and that's quite a good server. So I'm just upload my files from my stream to the Amsterdam server, and everyone who's gonna watch me on the world, like from US, Asia, Africa, what else, need to download the files from my stream from the Amsterdam Netherlands server. That means sometimes the connection is not very good, so you need to put your bitrate very, very low, because people from other countries don't have a good internet connection, probably. So if you have a very reduced bitrate, they are able to watch you from their smartphones and stuff like that. So they can easily watch you. That means right now we have the play path stream key. You need to put inside this, so it automatically connects you your OBS with your Twitch account, if you have a Twitch account. So you need to go to the browser and go to your Twitch account. Just log in your Twitch account, go to your dashboard. If you are at your dashboard, you have the stream key, and if you just click on the stream key, it says show key. If you're gonna click on the show key button, it appears a key. So you need to copy the key and put it inside here. So if you've done this, you are able to stream on your channel. So it automatically connects you with your Twitch account. Auto reconnect means that you, if you're gonna get a disconnect on your or your internet is just fucking up for 2 or 3 seconds, it automatically reconnects your OBS to Twitch. So that should be the quite default settings for streaming on Twitch. So we're gonna switch back to encoding. So like I just said before, there's a difference between partnered Twitch streamers and non-partnered Twitch streamers. If you are a non-partnered Twitch streamer and you have an upload rate like around 3 to 4,000 bits, you should really go with 2,000 bit rate easily. So you really want to broadcast yourself or upload 2,000 bits, because that means your quality is quite good. You can you can watch the video. It's okay, and people from other countries and people around the world are able to watch your stream. That's possible with this bitrate. You can easily put inside 2,500 if you're a non-partnered streamer, but I never would go over 2,500 bit. as a non-partnered streamer. That's absolutely the maximum you should go if you have a quite good internet connection as a non-partnered streamer. So that's good. So I'm always streaming at 2000 because I am a non-partnered streamer. So the audio encoding should go as the default. It's AAC at the codec format. It's 48 Hertz. The bitrate I just put up to 128, and the channel is stereo, so you're good to go. So we just checked out the broadcaster soft settings. We have the all stuff we need. So if you are from America or stuff like that, just use an America server or Asia server or what else, South America and Australia and stuff. So next one is the video. So as a video adapter, I just use my graphic card. It's the default graphic card you use on your computer. The base resolution, I just used custom because I want to use my 1080p computer monitor. You can just use your monitor. If you just click on this, you can use the resolution of one of your monitors if you have more than one. I just use custom because this uses the resolution of one monitor. So I have the resolution downscale for non-partner Twitch streamers is like, you should put it on 720p, it's like 1.50. And on the FPS you should go with 30. That's quite a good stuff. So there's, I just informed myself a little bit about streaming with OBS and stuff like that. Where's the difference between non-partnered and partnered Twitch streamers? So everyone just say in the internet on OBS forums and stuff like that, if you are a non-partnered Twitch streamer, there's a golden point that talk about 2000 bitrate, 30 FPS, 1.50 downscale. So if you just did this, put this inside your settings on OBS, you're quite good to go to stream yourself without problems. Yeah, that's quite the things, the important things about OBS. We can check out audio right now. So I just use the desktop audio device. The sound you just record while you are playing is like around my Razer Kraken 7.1 headset I'm just using right now. So I put this inside here. My microphone I'm using is the Anua Mic CM900. It's a studio microphone. So I put it inside my device. If I'm gonna talk inside this microphone, you can hear it. Yeah, that's the usual stuff with the audio. There are some hotkeys you can bind, like mute your microphone or mute the desktop sound or start the stream. In advanced, you should put this on default, so don't change anything here. If you have a good CPU, you should really, as a non-partnered Twitch streamer, use it on very fast and then encoding profile on main. So don't change anything here. So next one is the quick sync encoder. Don't change anything right here. That's good. The browser is good. And the next thing I want to talk about is like the microphone noise gate. What do the microphone noise gate? It's like, if you just enable it, it means like if I'm not talking, my microphone will disappear and put out my signal, so you can't hear anything around me, like if my dog is belling or something like that, or something is outside. So if you want to do that, you just can enable it. I'm just disabled it because I'm just doing a guide video, so I don't want that my microphone is just put themselves out. So yeah, that's quite a bit. And there's this scene switcher, so that's new to me. I never just used this before, but I think it's a good stuff. You just can switch scenes without clicking something, but I'm not gonna directly into this mode, so we are good to go. So we just apply it and close. I'm not doing this because I have my settings already. So you have a scenes and sources, so we go directly to the stuff you can put inside your OBS. If you just started the thing before, you should only have one thing here, so I think it's default or something like that. So I put it inside test because I'm doing the guide. And what I'm doing here is like, if you're gonna click into this field of sources with the right click, there's an add button. And if you go to the add button, you have a window capture, monitor capture, image slideshow, text, CLR browser, video capture device, game capture. So what I did for recording my monitor like this for the guide is I'm just put inside a monitor capture. If you're gonna click on the monitor capture, you can change the name for the scene. So there's a monitor capture 2 because I used already the monitor capture 1. Sorry. So I can say okay. So I can change different things here, like I can put up gamma or use another monitor and stuff like that. We're not gonna do this. So I have my monitor capture. First of all, what's interesting for you guys is like you can capture a window. So if you want to only record some browser website and stuff like that, you just easily go with the window capture. You can use this, like you can use the window you want to screen on your OBS. You can use inner window, entire window, like the gamma I just talked before. You can use a sub region, like you can only record a position on your screen. So that's for the window capture. You can easily add an image. If you're gonna click on image, you can say browse it. And I'm just browse my bang image. So wow, it's like around here. If I'm just clicking here for edit scene, it automatically let me move my scene around here. So I can just move it. I just can make it bigger. I can make it a little bit smaller. So that's the thing about the images. So next thing is image slideshow. It's like the same with the image, but you can add more files. Like I can add my bang file, or I can add my what we have here, my cat, and say okay. So I'm just gonna switch it right down here. And what does it mean? It's like in a different of time, it just change the picture. So now it appears my cat. Next thing I want to do is I'm just showing you the text. There's a text file. You can add text inside here. Say, hey, what's up, guys? Say okay. So it directly appears on the screen. Hey, what's up, guys thing. So I can put inside stuff here. Yeah, next one is the CLR browser, but I want to talk about it later. So we go to the video capture device. Video capture device is like your webcam or a video cam. You just connect it with your computer. You just easily can browse it on your OBS. So there are different stuff you can change here. You can use a chroma key. If you have a green wall behind you, you can easily put this green wall out, so you can only just show your body and your head. You can use this, or your audio. I just disabled my audio from a webcam because I'm using my studio microphone. Yeah, if you're gonna good to go, just click on OK. So now you guys can see me at the first time. And yeah, I'm just gonna change this a little bit. So I'm just putting myself down here so you guys can see me. Like it's your face cam. Next one is the game capture. I'm just using the game capture because if you are gonna want to stream games, this is very important for you. So what it says here, this application requires administrator access to capture. So if you wanna stream games, you already or you need to start your OBS in administrator mode. So right click on it and open it as an administrator. So if I'm gonna put inside OBS right there, right click on it, add as administrator. So it's a German client, so it says something different for you guys. So, and the application is on the top of it, so you can use choose your application you want to stream on the screen. Right now I have no games open, so I can not do that. So that's not quite a different stuff. It's easy. If you just add open Counter-Strike, you just click on it and say stream Counter-Strike, say okay, and on the screen it appears Counter-Strike. Right now it appears my monitor because I'm only monitor capturing, but if you just stream or have a game capture inside, it appears the game capture. Yes, so what I just want to talk about you guys is at least is like the CLR browser. For this thing you need to open your browser, and what you need to do is put inside Google. I just tell you guys, just put inside Google CLR browser and there will appear a site where you can download it. But it's only important for the guys who want to make some alerts on your browser works, so on your OBS works. So if someone is following your channel, it appears following stuff. So I just can show you easily, guys, with my playing screen. Like this is when I'm streaming. So you have my face cam and stuff like that. You have my alert box right there. So there's the game I just played. Last time I played Wildstar. The top donator is Blocks with $10. Last followers is my account in the German version, and we have a follower goal. Right now I'm not streaming, so it's at a 0 of 10 guys. What I want to show you guys is if I'm just opening my browser, I'm just putting it on the second screen. I'm just going to my dashboard of my alert box, and I'm now testing my follower alert. So it appears directly on my screen. So SoCxOfficial is a new follower. So I also have a test donation.
Do you see what you get, Carla? Do you see what you get when you mess with the warrior?
So it appears here. So in my box right there, I have a button with called alerts. So I use this. I'm just switching back to my scene of test because we tested here some stuff out. If I'm open my CLR browser, it opens like this window. So you can see a URL right here. So you need to make an account at Twitch alerts or whatever alert box you want to use for your OBS. And there you can make on the side some different stuff about your follower alert or your donation alert, and all. If you just finish them, you need to copy a link from this site, and you put the link inside here and say okay, and then you have this. And now it's not working because I didn't put inside a link. Right now it put inside the link of the OBS site, so it shows me the OBS site. So I can switch it on the screen, and it's transparent, so you're not seeing it, and it's like on the playing screen right there. If you just test it on the side, it will appear like in the middle of the screen. So yeah, that's literally all things you need to know at first for streaming. So just try this stuff out, stream with these settings, play some games, have some fun, just make some viewers, like let people just watch your stream, and you're good to go. Later on, if you have more viewers, more stuff like that, you just need to do some alerts, like some presents for people when they are donating and stuff like that. But you easily can inform yourself if you're gonna go to YouTube and put inside alert guide and stuff like that. Probably I'm doing alert guide too, so in the next video maybe. It's not quite different, guys. Yeah, that's all from my side. I hope you guys enjoyed the OBS guide video. It's my first guide, so please don't hesitate me, guys. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below, or just meet me when I'm live streaming at twitch.tv/SoCxOfficial. You can ask me in the chat, stuff like that. I really want to answer questions and talk a little bit with you guys. And I really appreciate if you guys just subscribe to my YouTube channel and just follow me on Twitch, twitch.tv. So yes, that's it, guys. So thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.
But it's gonna be blue skies for you and I. We'll step out of the shadows and